Yes, Coach. I was just wondering, could you explain the MA indicator a little bit and why it's at 200, how to set it right?
Yeah, so that's just the moving average over the last 200 days. If you look at the MA right here, if you put your cursor over the MA and there's a settings right here, and then
Okay.
just change the length right here to 200. Here's the thing, a lot of day traders will use like a 9. You'll also hear a lot of people using a 21 or a 55. I've found that the 200 is to me is the largest indicator of what the stock really is doing, so people put a lot of weight on the 200.
Okay.
Notice you'll see a lot of times like right here, see this spot? That's a 200, right? So when you
Okay.
combine the 200, treat it just like VWAP, but not as much importance, okay?
Okay.
But it's another good reference of, because remember, VWAP is volume weighted average price. So in the world of trading, VWAP is pretty much as close to what you're going to get to what the price that the share should actually be. That's why VWAP, by the way, for all of you, has so much weight and so much importance, is because to the rest of the world, if you didn't know what Apple was and you didn't know how to determine what the price should be, VWAP will tell you that. Okay. So that's what it's for. That's why there's so much. That's why it's the number one indicator in the stock market world. And that's why I laugh when people don't use it correctly. It's the number one most important indicator of everything that we have. Without it, we don't know what Apple's supposed to be worth right now. Does that make sense?
All right. Great.
Yep.
Thank you.
You're welcome.